Welcome grade 3. This is our last math class for this week. So we're still in unit 9. The time. Objective for our class today, students will calculate the time intervals, the duration, or what we call it, how long it takes, or how long the class will last. Let us see together. First, let us revise quickly the 24-hour time and the 12-hour time. We know that during the AM or the beginning of the day, all the clock on the 12-hour system the same as the clock on the 24-hour system. But the difference will be at the beginning of the day from the midnight. If we are using the 12-hour time, we know that the midnight is 12 AM or the beginning of the new day. And on the 24-hour time, it means 00. And we complete the same time during the AM hours. And once we reach noon, the middle of the day, using the 12-hour system, it shows us 12 PM. It means it is noon or dhuhr. We are going to start the other 12-hour of the day, but using the PM. But on the 24-hour time, they complete after 12. This is the middle of the day. After 12, 13, 14, 15. So as you can see, during the PM hours, the numbers on the 24-hour time shows number more than 12. Because on the 24-hour system, we don't stop at 12. We complete counting to reach the 24. So during AM, both systems show the same time on the clock. But during the PM, the time on the 24-hour system means hour on our 12-hour time plus 12. So 6 PM, it means 6 plus 12 will give you 18. Okay, 10 PM, it means 10 plus 12 to make it 22. And don't forget the beginning of the day and the middle of the day. The beginning from the midnight, it's called 12 AM if we are using the 12-hour system, or the hour 0 if we are using the 24-hour time. And the middle of the day, it means starting the other 12-hour on PM. So it's called 12 PM noon, but on the 24-hour, it is just 12 and we keep counting. Okay? So let us go to our new lesson, the duration or the time intervals, or how long it lasts. So the duration, suppose we are going to take the bus in the morning. So the starting time, the time that I start my trip by the bus, it is 7 AM. So the bus was here at my home by 7. So I entered the bus and I spent 1 hour in the bus, and the finishing time, I finished my trip with the bus by 8 AM. So 8 minus 7, it means 1. So the 1 hour that I spent in the bus. So the trip from my home to the school takes 1 hour. This is called the duration of the trip. I start my trip in the bus by 7 AM and I finish it by 8. So when you are making finishing time minus starting time, you get the duration. 8 minus 7 give you 1 hour. This is the 1 hour, the duration of the trip. You spend it in the bus from your home to reach the school. So I can ask you a question. How long it takes the trip from your home to the school? You will tell me, you mean the duration? Yes, it takes 1 hour. So if I start the trip from my home by 10 AM, I should reach the school by, I will start my trip by the bus by 10 AM plus 1 hour spending it in the bus It means I will reach the school by 11 a.m. So the 1 hour is called the duration. Let us see. Calculate the time duration or the interval. So duration means elapsed time or how long it takes. Let's go to the next slide. Time and duration. How much time has passed? It means I'm asking you about the duration. Or when is the starting time and when is the finishing time? So when you have the starting time and you have a finishing time, what's between them is called the duration. So if we start our class, no, we can't start our class by 10:45 p.m. No, it seems that we have a late party, late night party. It will start by 10:45 p.m. and it will end at what time? I don't know, but I know the duration. I will spend 15 minutes preparing my laptop and search for a very nice movie to watch it with my friend because it's late party. Then I will spend 1 hour watching the movie with my friends and another 15 minutes eating some pizza. So, and then we will end or finish our late party. So how long it takes this party? 15 minutes and 1 hour and another 15 minutes. Okay, we can say that 15 minutes plus 15 minutes, it means what? 30 minutes and 1 hour. So my party lasts for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So my finishing time will be at what? Let us see how I'm going to calculate it. From 10:45 and another 15 minutes, it makes this minute 60. So we are in a new hour, 11. And from 11 to 12, 11 p.m. to 12 midnight, this is the 1 hour. So now we are 12 a.m. Did we finish the party here? No. We spent extra 15 minutes for eating the pizza. So I finished my party by 12:15 a.m. Oops, we start the new day. We should go home quickly. We need to sleep a little bit. So let us see another example. We will use a line and we call it a number line or timeline because we are in unit 9, the time unit. We will use the timeline. I will start the class by 8:10 and of course a.m. And the duration of the class, or we will spend together in the class, how many minutes? 45 minutes. So the 45 minutes, it is the duration or how much time we will spend together in the class. So we finish the class at what time? So we start from here and we end there. It means this is the time we spend together. So our class takes 45 minutes. So if we start by 8:10 and the class will last or takes 45 minutes, the duration of the class, so we finish at what time? The finishing time equals the starting time plus the duration to reach the finishing time. So the starting time is 8:10 plus 45 minutes. This is the duration. Okay, 45 minutes. I should make plus for it with the 10 minutes or with the 8 hours. Miss Sarah, we know that we can't make plus for different things. I mean that 45 minutes should play with the 10 minutes. Okay, So the hour is still 8, but 10 minutes plus 45 minutes, it's 55 minutes. So we will end our class by 8:55. What if Miss Christine told us today the class will be only 40 minutes? Miss Sarah, you are going to spend only 40 minutes inside grade 3 class. Okay, Miss Christine, I will stay with them only 40 minutes. So the starting time is 8:10 and we will last for 40 minutes, or we will spend 40 minutes in the class. So at what time we will finish? What will be the finishing time? Finishing time equal the starting plus the duration. I'll start at 8:10 plus 40 minutes. I will stay with you inside the class 40 minutes. So 40 minutes plus these 10 minutes, it means I will end the class by 8:50. What if Miss Christine said, no, this is too much time spending inside the class. Miss Sarah, please finish your class today after 25 minutes only. So the duration of the class today will be 25 minutes. Okay, miss? It means I will start the class by 8:10 plus 25 minutes. So I'm supposed to finish the class by 8:35. Another example. Suppose that we have a swimming class. It will start by 8:10 in the morning. And the duration of the class, 1 hour. So we will have a swimming class. All of us like swimming and water, especially in this hot weather. So spending 1 hour in swimming class, very nice. But we will finish at what time? I know the beginning or the starting time. And I know the duration, but I don't know at what time I will finish because I need to call my parents to come and pick me. So I will do what? Starting plus duration will give me the finishing time. So starting 8:10 plus 1 hour. So this 1 hour, I should add it to the 8 or 10 minutes. Hours will play with hours. So 8 and 1 hour, it will be 9. And the 10 remain as it is. So the finishing time will be 9:10. What if the captain told me today we are going to spend 1 hour and 20 minutes during the class? So I will swim for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Wow, I like swimming. So at what time I should tell my parents that my class will finish? So I will tell them, to find the finishing time, I should make the starting plus the duration. So I will start by 8:10 plus 1 hour and 20 minutes. So hours will play with hours and minutes will play with minutes. Let's start by the minutes playing with minutes. How minutes you have here? 20 and another 10. So the minutes, 30. And now the hours will play with the hours. 8 and 1 more hour, it will be 9. So the finishing time for the swimming class is 9:30. Or another way, half past 9. Do you remember 30 minutes means what? Half past. And half past which hour? Half past 9. The last example for today. The captain decided to give us 2 classes together. So we will spend 2 hours and 35 minutes in the class today. So starting time plus all of this duration of the swimming class, I will finish at what time? Okay, starting plus duration to know the finishing time. Starting by 8:10 plus 2 hours and 35 minutes. Minutes play with minutes. 35 plus 10 minutes, it will be 45 minutes. Now hours play with hours. 2 hours and 8, it becomes 10. So I will finish my swimming class today, and it's gonna be very long class, 10:45. Do you remember 45 minutes means what? Quarter to, a quarter to 11. Thank you for watching the lesson today and no homework. Thank you.